Welcome. In today's lecture, we shall discuss about the functions and purposes of the law. It is one of the important topic of the subject jurisprudence. In order to promote the welfare of the people and of the state and to regulate the activities of the people and their relation with the state and other people, the law assumes great importance, and this situation advocates the need of a sound, fair and concrete law. Therefore, the functions and purposes of the law are required to be studied. The function and purposes of the law are summarized as follows. Their justice, stability and peaceful change are important purposes of the law or a functions of the law. Law is an instrument of a society and its object are achievement of the justice, stability and peaceful change. Justice. The term justice in its wider sense means a morality. Thus, it may be equated with the morality, but in its narrow sense, the term justice means the impartiality. Thus, it may be confined to the impartiality. Salmon stated that justice consists in giving to every man his due. Because according to Salmon, law is an instrument of a justice and justice is the end of the law. The easiest and simple meaning of a justice is equality, just and proper propriety. Even though man is harsh or cruel, but so long such a man treat every individual or every person whom he come across alike or in a similar manner, such man can be called as a just man. Just Justice seeks to do good. The rule of a justice instruct a man how he must act in order to secure and promote the general welfare of the mankind. All the schools of jurisprudence have accepted the justice as the primary purpose of the law. According to natural law theory, the human law or a positive law which are not in conformity with the objective of the moral standard or the principle are treated as unjust, and unjust law is not a law according to the theory. The positivists also admit that if the law is a defective or a lacking, such a law is insufficient to give a justice. Aspect of a justice. There are two division or two aspect of a justice. One is a distributive justice and another is a corrective justice. In a distributive justice, deal with the equitable distributing the benefit. It ensures a fair division of a social benefit. Distributive justice is the function of a legislature. Distributive justice implies that the equal should treated alike. Thus, a distributive justice is based on a principle that there has to be equal distribution among the equals. Then, corrective justice. It deals with the vindication of a right. In other words, corrective justice serves to toss the balance of a benefit. Thus, the corrective justice seeks to restore the equality. Even it has been disturbed, corrective justice is the function of the court. It may be seen from the above that the justice operates at the two different levels. As a distributive justice, it works to ensure a fair division of a social benefit and burdens among the member of the community. It serves to secure a balance among the member of the society. If a balance is upset, corrective justice will move into a correct the balance. Thus, the justice in its distributive aspect serve to secure the imbalance. Thus, the justice in its distributive aspect serve to secure and in its corrective aspect to redress the balance of the benefits and burden in the society. Those who make the law or legislation aiming to procedure and equality of a distribution, thereby deal with the distributive justice, and on the other hand courts see the application of the corrective justice. Then second important purpose of the law or a function of a law is a stability, means uniformity. Stability is one of the important function and purpose of the law. It is a mandatory on a law to maintain the stability. The maintenance of a stability is possible when fixed rules must be adopted with the uniformity of observance of the rules. Adoption of the fixed rules with the uniformity in observance lead to the political liberty. Uniformity of observance of a fixed rules instrumental in attaining stability and security. Where the rules of a law are fixed, the citizen can plan his activities which with to ensure the certainty and predict the legal consequences of his behavior. Stability can be achieved from uniform and certain rule of a law. The justice is not the only possible goal of a law. Law must aim at stability in a society. Law must be uniform and certain to be achieved stability. Then third important purpose of the law is a peaceful change. Means flexibility should be there. Peaceful change is another important function and purpose of the law. Flexibility is a necessity to enable the law to adapt itself to social change. The society can remain static, and if the society remains static, it without any change, such a society would no longer be in existence. Therefore, society must recognize the changes. Such a change must be without any disturbance, chaos or loss in a society. Such a change must be peaceful. It is the function and purpose of the law that the peaceful change is possible. Such a peaceful change in a society lead to the strengthen the stability, because law being a species of a social engineering. Its purpose and function is to maximize the fulfillment of the interest of the society and member with the promotion of the smooth functioning of the machinery of the society. In a changing society, the need of the people change from a time to time. This is a peculiarity of an advanced society. In such a progressive society, law has to keep a pace with the changing need of the society. Law exists to observe the social needs. Therefore, law has to undergo a progressive change if it into observe the needs of the society which is seeks to govern. The legal system must be stable in short period and be flexible in a long period. Where in relatively static society, law can be useful as a powerful instrument of a social change. Thus, the law can be used as an instrument to achieve the peaceful change. Law, which is capable of adoption due to its flexibility, will allow to peaceful change. In this way, there are three purpose or three important functions of the law. One is a justice, another is second is a stability, and third one is a peaceful change. Okay, thank you very much.